beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Gurish Kaur. So today I'm here to share my personal experience with consuming a beauty slash wellness slash health supplement for over a span of 30 days. Yes, I've actually used this product for over 30 days and seen the results for myself, seen my skin looking and getting healthy and glowy. So if you want to know what product I'm talking about and my in detail review, please keep on watching. And spoiler alert, it is a non-sponsored video. I genuinely like this product and thought it would be really cool to share with you all. I'm not getting any money out of it, mama. So yeah, if that interests you still, please keep on watching. Alrighty, so today I have no base makeup, absolutely. I just have one lipstick on. That's pretty much it for the makeup of the day. And that is because I really wanted to show you guys my real skin, and this video is not gonna be filtered or color graded in any way, shape or form. Usually my videos aren't any which ways. But the point is that this is what you see, like this is real skin. What do you see? And it looks so healthy and glowy. Yes, I do have a couple of marks here and there, but that's pretty much it. My skin is generally looking a lot more healthy, I would say. It just looks like I drink a lot of water, I eat my veggies on time, and also I take my beauty supplements on time. So actually I've always been very intrigued by this whole concept of beauty supplements, but ingesting in tablets also kind of scares me at the same time. So you get the deal, right? I'm filming a YouTube video. So I've always been very intrigued by this whole concept of consuming beauty supplements, but at the same time kind of scared of ingesting in tablets. Like, you know, we all are somewhere scared of taking in tablets and medicines until not very necessary or required, if you get me. But when I came across this product, the best thing was I do not have to ingest a tablet. Okay, I'll just show you the product and then guide you further. So the product that I've been dearly talking about for my glowy skin is none other than the Chic Nutrix Super C tablets. So these are basically effervescent tablets. That means you just have to pop them in water and they kind of dissolve and make you this nice fizzy drink that you can just pop, fizz and drink on the go. That's so cool. I mean, you don't have to ingest in tablets that seem like medicines, you get me? Also, the stuff tastes exactly like Fanta. I'm not kidding you, I cannot drink anything that tastes bad. This literally tastes like less carbonated Fanta, like for real. Just Fanta with a little less gas. Literally the stuff tastes so similar. It tastes like that orange Fanta. And I'll show you exactly how I consume this. So this is how the tablet actually looks like. It's a huge effervescent tablet. And you don't have to consume it, so don't get scared of the size regardlessly. All you gotta do is take a glass of water, pop this in there, and you see how it starts to dissolve itself. I would keep it on the side table for a couple of minutes. I usually consume this at night. There's no particular timing that you need to consume it. You can consume it either in the morning or at night or anytime during the day for that matter. Because I do this because I consume my amla juice in the daytime and this at night time. So this is like my dose of vitamin C that I consume, apart from the topical vitamin C that I use on my face. I'm a huge fan of vitamin C. Is one reason I largely love these Super C tablets. I also remember using them last year in 2019 very vividly. The brand, when they launched, they happened to send across their Super C tablets to me, and I really liked them even then, but never really happened to, you know, review them either on my stories or a video. So I thought of doing a dedicated video. This is not sponsored in any way, shape or form. These are my honest opinions. Like, I don't know, when you're giving genuinely a good opinion about a product, it's assumed that it's sponsored. It's not. And even if it would have been, my reviews anyway stay honest, guys. I mean, you should know by this time. And a couple of months back as well, the brand just happened to send me their product in PR with no expectations, you know, that I would review it and I would talk about them. But since I genuinely like this product and I've been consuming this for the past 30 days, I genuinely consumed this in the past 30 days to track again the reaction and everything with my skin, that it, you know, how it reacts with my skin and everything, and the reactions are pretty damn positive. And to list out some, it gave me this beautiful glow, like my skin, my cheeks and all feel glowy more than, you know, just clear skin. It's glowy and healthy, so it surely gave me clear glowing skin, along with an improvement in my skin texture, that I never really had you know, severe acne as such, but I surely had some sort of a texture on my skin, and it has actually reduced that to quite an extent, I would say, because my skincare routine has been the exact same ever since. So it's certainly the Super C. That's the only thing I've changed in my routine, so I can surely give, you know, the tablets their due credit. And it's very portable and easy to carry, so you can just you can also take it along very easily. It's just this, you know, slim round long tube that you can carry. So this contains 20 effervescent tablets and retails for 390 rupees. So this would last you like a good 20 days. Additionally, I also have an affiliate code with the brand. If you want to use that, I'm going to leave it right on the screen. You can use my code for some additional discount. And while we were talking, my drink is ready. So this is how it looks like. It legit looks like Rasna, Fanta, or, you know, any of those things. It tastes exactly like the child of Fanta and Rasna, somewhere in the middle, but it tastes so good. And the brand Chic Nutrix also have similar hair supplements that I received. These are called the Bounce hair supplements. This one is in the flavor green apple and this one is in flavor raspberry. But sadly, I did not really get a chance to really try and test them out like over a period of time. Honest talk, I have not even started consuming this. It's logged. And this one, however, I've used just 2 to 3 times, but that I believe is not enough to tell if it really helped with my hair health and, you know, how my hair is and made it bouncy or not. So I can't really comment on that. But when I say that I love the Super C supplement for my skin, I mean it. Like, I legit mean it. And these tablets are also sugar free, so if you're also a diabetic patient, you don't have to worry on either the caloric part or the sugar intake part. These are sugar free tablets, so it's not gonna mess up with your blood sugar levels as well. Additionally, this is also vegetarian and vegan. So each tablet contains plant-based vitamin C, that is amla. In here, each tablet contains 1000 mg of amla extracts and 10 mg of zinc. So that's a really good portion to keep you running throughout the day. It helps in building up your immunity. So each tablet contains 12 calories. That's barely a thing, but it is power packed with nutrition and essential vitamins. So according to me, you must give this a shot, like in 20 days at least, like consuming one entire tube of this. You will get to know what I'm really talking about, what it does to your skin and body. And when you feel healthy, you feel good, I believe. Like, yeah, I mean, when my skin is feeling good, and it kind of also keeps my gut in check. So I take a good dump when I consume this vitamin C supplements. Everything is nice and happy, and yeah. So yeah, it's vegan, plant-based, made up with very minimal and clean ingredients, so it does not have any side effects. I assure you, this shit does not have any side effects, because I've consumed this like last year as well. As I told you, I did not see any side effects back then, not now as well. So I can reassure you. And that's pretty much all I got for you today for my review of this product. I'm not here to shove a product down your throat or sell it to you, but I just really like this vitamin C beauty supplement. If you're looking for one, you might want to give this a try. It's genuinely a good product. Regardlessly, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in some way or the other. And until next time, goodbye beauties.